what job doing here? What we have here today is the rare ostrich cow. I spooked it, so it's sticking its head down underground. Oh. I guess it knows I'm nothing to scare it. See, its tail's wagging. I think it's trying to talk to me. It's saying, don't come near. And, I got no milk. Or ice cream or butter. Anyhow, you never know what kind of rare and endangered animals you'll find on this channel of mine, of nature. Hey, wait, where are you going? There's not much of those around, I don't think. Oh wait. There's more ostrich cows out there. Yes. Moo moo. Moo 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 moo. Alrighty. Well, thanks for watching. Let's see if I can zoom in on this ostrich cow. Zooming's hard sometimes. There we go. Look at that thing. It's just moseying around, eating stuff. Okay, on to the next animal life.